What's up, YouTube? So just a quick update on how everything's been going here for the last little bit. We have slowed down printing just for the holidays. But first, let's start off with the Grinch. Turned out really well. Very smooth, clean looking prints. Inside's got a couple of loops that you can use to actually put on your face. Should be fun. My kids are big Grinch fans, so that's going to be great. The other thing every printer needs is little scrapers. They make it just real easy to scrape off little fragments and stuff that you have that stick to the build plate, so you're not having to scrape them. And then this, I want to talk about some of the ways to put your prints together. Obviously, this is just super glue. And then you've got this NCF Quick. This stuff is awesome. So you actually dab a little bit of that on your print or whatever you're trying to glue together, and then just a very quick squirt of this spray here, and it instantly cures that glue. So your print you can get it assembled a lot faster and not have to wait for things to cure, and it makes it so you're not having to hold that print together while you're doing it. And when you do that, you can put complex pieces together like this basketball hoop. So this basketball hoop, this thing was completely printed on the Bambu. None of this was done on the Prusa. Took, I think it was 10 build plates for this. Maybe 14 hours print time total, but turns out really cool. The basketball itself or the hoop and rim, everything is adjustable up and down. You print 4 basketballs. Pretty basic. It helps if you fling it up there a little bit. There you go. But really simple. You can kind of see here, little white residue is from the glue. So when you spray it, it instantly cures it like that. So we just kind of put it in there. You can actually clean that up. We'll usually use a wire brush just lightly on prints that we don't care if it's going to get a little scratched up or you're not going to be able to see it. Or you can scrape it with a pick, or even a magic eraser. We'll have some good luck getting that white residue off, but it makes everything instant to glue, goes a lot faster. Very smooth process. So those were a couple of things I wanted to talk about and show everybody what we're using here. If you haven't picked any of that stuff up, it's on Amazon, $5-6, well worth it. We've had that can for almost a year now. It lasts a really long time for what we utilize it for. The other thing is Bambu has been chugging along great. We've had no issues with it, still printing fantastic. The only thing that we've ever had happen is the AMS system. When your rolls get down to where they are too low, they get a little light, and it will actually roll up out of the cradle here, and then it'll have an issue feeding. So what we've done is we've actually taken a couple of D batteries, we glued them into a triangle, and when we get a filament that's going low, we'll just throw it in the middle here and put it back into the AMS system, and it holds those filaments down so they don't pop up and they can still roll around. You can use up that entire roll. Other than that, this thing has been a champ so far. We haven't had any other issues with that printer. It is just currently printing a ton of these little dummy 13 dolls for my wife's classroom so she can give them out as incentive prizes. We've got a few more over here. Here's the Prusa box that is ready to go at a moment's notice if this thing starts acting up again. But as of right now, it's doing great. You can even see the first layer is looking fantastic on this. We're printing out a U of U, I guess, necklace. I'll show it to you guys when it's done. It's pretty cool. And then I had a couple of questions on our filament rack. So this is just a basic filament rack. We got it off Amazon. I want to say it was $30 or $40. Holds a good amount. I think it's 30 spools that it's supposed to hold. I think that's right. Maybe it's 36. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. But if you need a place to stack filament, this is fantastic. Where we live, it's dry desert, so we don't have to worry about our filament getting a lot of moisture in it. We burn through it pretty quick. But yeah, if you guys are looking for this, I will get a link for that and I will add it to the description on this video. If you guys have any other questions on our prints or print process, let me know. I'll respond to it. Otherwise, that was just a quick update.